Welcome to Davey. Davey has a worldwide network, a vast network that works in partnership with a select group of dealers across Australia and distributors in over 50 countries around the globe. Davey have built a name for innovation and dependability for over 70 years. Introducing world firsts like the Dynajet water pressure system, the original all-plastic household pressure system. Over 20 years ago, Davey had the foresight to develop the first composite pump casing, incorporating a die-cast aluminium casing housed inside an all-plastic shell. This robust design overcame corrosion problems and thrived, especially in harsh conditions, virtually guaranteeing clean, clear water all the time. Davey's Hydroscan was the first commercially successful constant flow controller on the market. In the 15 years since its introduction, the Hydroscan has established itself as the market leader in constant flow controller systems. In a country renowned for its harsh conditions and extreme weather, Davey's Firefighter series of pumps was bound to be a success. The Firefighter range is now used by people all around the world to deliver outstanding levels of performance and versatility. This pursuit for better, more economically viable and environmentally sustainable products is the driving force behind our extensive commitment to research and development. A great example of this is the recently released Rainbank system, specifically created to better utilize one of the world's dwindling resources, water. These are just some of the many innovations Davey have created. Even now, we're exploring new and exciting ways to maximize the effectiveness of pumps and other water-related products. One of the biggest problems confronting the rural community is the steady, reliable supply of consistent water pressure. Up till now, pressure control systems could not attempt to compensate for changing circumstances, let alone clearly identify a problem and adapt to the new conditions. Air entering a pump's suction can adversely affect its performance. So too can unforeseen blockages or loss of air charge in pressure vessels. So many things in the home depend on constant water pressure. Poor or inconsistent water pressure can result in a broad range of problems, especially where the pump is the sole source of pressure to the household. Plus, no one wants their pump cycling overnight because of a drop in water pressure. That's why Davey knew there had to be a better way. Perhaps one of the smartest developments Davey have made in recent times is the amazing new Torrium pressure system controller. 5 years in the making and thousands of hours of in-the-field testing have culminated in a pressure system controller that can actually think for itself. This ability to think enables the Torrium to adapt to varying conditions and respond to changing circumstances. Customers have been searching for a controller that can deliver consistent, hassle-free pressure. And it's finally here, Torrium. A Torrium pressure control system delivers flow-on benefits to all areas of the home and property. Because of its unique ability to adapt to changing conditions, a steady, reliable flow of water is virtually guaranteed. Day after day, year after year. I think, therefore I am Torrium. The Torrium's unique ability to think for itself and adapt accordingly also means there's far less installation and maintenance issues. It's so smart that Torrium will even automatically adjust itself to work with a broad range of existing pumps. The Torrium can be fitted to a wide variety of pumps by simply attaching the right union kit. It can literally give old pumps a new lease of life or help to maximize the effectiveness of a new pump. The Torrium has a host of unique features, including a assist and fill function that reduces pump cycling, pump-locked rotor protection, a flow switch with no moving parts in the water stream, the ability to detect and indicate when there's low voltage, even the added advantage of being able to detect leaking taps and adapt to stop the resultant pump cycling. Other important features include water over temperature protection, an auto retry function on elapsed time or return of water supply after loss of prime or shutdown, auto pump priming sequence on startup, and an inbuilt microprocessor that controls the logic of all these functions ensures Torrium does all the work and all the thinking for you. There's also a host of other standard operations. The Torrium pressure system controller is robust in design and built to last. Davey continues to place a great deal of importance on the partnerships we have with our dealer network, because only through working with our dealers can we develop new products designed specifically to meet the needs of our markets. Our dealers are the day-to-day face of Davey, offering technical advice, backup and service. And being able to offer superior service is imperative in today's marketplace. That's why Davey will continue to produce world's best quality products. Products developed with a tangible technological edge. Future success will be directly related to our ability to identify new product opportunities and maximize on their potential. At Davey, we intend to maintain our market leader status and establish new markets both in Australia and around the world. Day after day, year after year, you can depend on Davey.